Welcome back to LearnCity. Pleased to have you here. I've previously covered the main basics of HTML in our previous classes. You can go back to videos for recap. In this video, we will be moving into the bigger picture of web development, which CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a style language used to control the appearance of market languages like HTML. So you can think of HTML as the controlling structure of the web, while CSS controls the presentation of it. CSS is what makes the web pretty. It beautifies the web. Think of the HTML as structure of a new building. You can see the new structure as it's being built, but you don't really know what it's going to look like. That's where CSS comes in. It's the skin that shows what the outside of the structure will look like. By separating structure and presentation in this way, you can change how things look simply by changing the CSS. You don't have to change the underlying structure. You see, when it comes to syntax, CSS is not a markup language like HTML or a scripting language like JavaScript. It is a style sheet language. This means CSS comes with its own set of formatting rules to identify elements in a document and specify what style should be applied. When it comes to using CSS with HTML, there are a few ways to apply CSS to a file. First, you can apply the styles inline directly to an element. Next, you can apply styles in a style block directly inside of a document. Or you can apply styles from an external style sheet that ends in a CSS extension. You can also use multiple style sheets for a single web page or website. The cascading part of CSS means that style information for multiple sources can be continued. Talking about the benefits of CSS, probably the biggest one is that it provides a separation between style and structure. Going back to our building example, we could paint it a different color without changing a thing about its structure. You can also speed development and site maintenance by controlling the formatting for an entire site through a single style sheet. Another great benefit of CSS is that it enables us to define and tailor styles based on how the content is being consumed. For instance, you could optimize the presentation based on whether the web page was being printed or someone's viewing it on a phone or a tablet or desktop or whatever other ways technology gives us to experience the web. So how does CSS fit into the bigger picture of web development? Well, it's an essential part of the process. So if you want to learn front-end web development, learning CSS is a must. This is just an introduction, or let me call it a hint of what we are about to go into. So yes, next time, come prepared. Stay tuned as we explore the cascading style sheet, CSS. Thanks for watching. It's always our pleasure to have you here. Do not forget to subscribe to our platform.